Hi guys, it's Andy from Nismo Tech. Hope you're doing well and that you're keeping safe. Now, as part of my Christmas Spread the Cheer series of videos that I'm going to be doing, I've been sent a very nice product indeed. This is from Longacres Garden Centre, and it is one of their rattan tree skirts. So I'm going to be taking you around, showing you the quality of this, talking about the dimensions, etc. So let's get started. Okay, so here it is. This is the wicker skirt, the woven wicker skirt from Longacres Garden Centre. As you can see, it's quite a large tree skirt. This is the whitewash effect that I've gone for. They also do a natural looking version as well, but it's very strong indeed. As you can see, pushing down on top, very strong, very robust. And I see the weaves itself are really nice, and I see it's going to fit most 7-foot trees, obviously depending on the base. So I'm going to have a quick look at the internal dimensions up at the top here. So we're looking roughly about 38 centimetres, and if we turn it over and look at the bottom, you've roughly got, I would say, going around 52 centimetres in terms of the legs on your tree. So obviously we've got our tree stand here. Popping that inside, it's a little bit tight, but obviously moving it around and pushing it down, it will fit in. So I'll just go and pop that down there. Obviously put the tree skirt in place, like I said, give it a bit of a push, and obviously it does stay in there very nicely. So in terms of the measurements from the website, the internal dimensions up at the top, so this section here, they've got it down as being 40 centimetres, and then down at the bottom 55 centimetres. So obviously it is going to vary because of the manufacturing and the way it's obviously made, but just to give you a rough idea, that should fit most 7-foot trees. And as I mentioned, it's extremely good quality, looks absolutely fantastic, and really complements and gives that kind of natural rustic look to any Christmas tree. So we're going to go and pop the tree together. The wife is going to go and decorate it a little bit, hopefully by putting a bow or something of that nature onto the tree skirt, and we'll show you the effect afterwards once the tree is up. Okay guys, so the tree is now up and fully decorated. We have still got a few bits and bobs to do around the house, so ignore the mess to start with, but I wanted to show you what the tree skirt does to the tree because it looks fantastic. So the wife has done an absolute blinder on this tree, in my opinion. May not be to everyone's taste, but when you come down and look at the tree skirt, it's looking stunning. Now see, she's added the red bow on there to go with the theme of the tree, but it just looks so nice and such a traditional look on the tree. In fact, I'll just turn the light off a moment. And there we go with the light off. It is looking beautiful. I see coming down to the tree, just try and zoom in, sorry, on the skirt a little bit there. A bit difficult to see with the light, but it really does make a world of difference. So really worth investing in something like this if you're looking for that traditional look on the tree. So there we are, that's the tree skirt installed on the tree, looking absolutely beautiful. There will be a link down below in the description to where you can find this particular tree skirt, and also the more natural looking one. As I've already mentioned, I believe it's cheaper than quite a number of retail outlets, so it's well worth investing in and obviously taking a look at that. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do leave any comments, and a like rating will be good. I hope you have a fantastic Christmas, and I'll look forward to seeing you in my next video.